We just left the hotel. Now let's head out for breakfast. So guys, I think I might have gotten here too early, and they are still closed. You see, they are still closed, so I have to wait. I'm back at the hotel, and it's time to check out and head to the SGR station. I was staying at Desert Rose Hotel in Voi. If you come to Voi, man, you should check out this place. So I have those 2 bags. Let's take them and head to the SGR station. Whoa, my bed is a mess. So those are my 2 bags. I have the laptop bags and the bag. So apparently I destroyed my bag, guys, so I need to find a way of fixing this, or even just buy another one. We'll see. So let's head out to the SGR station. Now it's time to head to the SGR. We have to take a boda or a bike to the SGR station. All the way to the station there. Let's go. One is having to walk around 200 meters to the voice station. Yeah, can be a bit tiresome with all the luggage. It looks like all the houses next to the Voi SGR station have been demolished. Guys, if you know why, can you comment below and tell us why? Why did this have to happen? Welcome to the Voi SGR station. Time to head to the platform. We'll be on coach 2 or 1, which is first class. So it's time to board and head to Nairobi. Let's go. have arrived at the Nairobi terminus, and that was so convenient. I would recommend that always